I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Brasidas University. Today, we are discussing about the basic premises about leadership effectiveness. Basic premises about leadership effectiveness. How the leader is to be effective in the present scenario. Before studying these things, we should know what is leadership effectiveness. Everyone know about the Brown and Burke theory. Brown and Burke is a Black Mountain theory. When they start to be there, we have discussed already the managerial grid model. I am not discussing about the managerial grid here. The circle was there, 5.1, like that. This type of. You maybe remember of that also. You have the idea of clear cut. What is that is to be there? Because whatever the process is to be there carried out, we have already get down the formation is to be there. In this 1.9, 9.9 and 1.1 and 9.1. In this we have get down the certain information about whether the manager is toward the side of the concern of the people or toward the concern of the work. So this is the chart we have been already carried out. We already discussed about the leadership theories and other. In this we have come down impoverished the team type, because if the person is like that, it is basically the team management. Our concern is like that. What are the premises is to be there in the terms of the leadership effectiveness. So there should be a team management process is to be there carried out. In this team management process, this theory clearly says that is the best example, best concern of people and the production of maximum concerns to be there in both this. So in this process, in this effectiveness, in this role is to be there, we can say down a chart. What the chart is to be there, we can just list, because effective communication, effective leadership effectiveness, we can just say down whether list whatever the dimensions, whatever the thing is the task, and this is the team orientation is to be there, team of people orientation is to be there. So in this effectiveness, effective direction is like that. If this type of direction is to be carried out in our basic premises, definitely we can say down the leader is going in a very well form, because in this system, whatever the leader is to be there, what he is to do? First, he is executing. He executes the plan. Used as a manager, this style to a maximum importance to execute any tasks to be there. Then he has to be developer. Develop when the things is to be strong, then we have to develop the formation is to be there, manager adopting this to be. Then benevolent autocrat is to be there. So in this, to achieve the goal with causing any resentment among the according to be there. Then this type of things is to be carried out, because we have to take up the things as compromisers. Then missionary values is to be there. Then we can say down it is is to be there. Now, by the means of this, because we are discussing about the basic premises of leadership effectiveness for team building. I am just adding one thing is to be there for the team building. For the team is already a group of people, very talented people maybe. They have knowledge, skills, each and everything. They know what is their vision, what is the mission is to be there, for why they are in the institution is to be there. So as a good leader, what is the factors involved in that by which you can accommodate them in a very standardized format is to be there. So there are various factors that influence this team leader's behavior. Team leader behavior is to be there. Like the leader own personality, past experiences and expectations. If he achieved, definitely he will guide, he will turn it up really nice people to be there. Then the expectations and behavior is superiors. Then subordinate characteristics, expectations and the behavior is to be there toward the side of the superiors also. Then requirements of task to be performed by the subordinates, organization culture is to be there. Now you have each and every one is to be there. What is the basic premises? Things are clear, leadership effectiveness is clear, but I just want to get down something is to be there by which what is the qualities of an effective leader? Qualities. because you should know about the qualities of an effective leader. Effective leader. Then only you can say if these qualities is to be there. So definitely these are the human skeleton system like, and he has this type of quality. That's why he is showing a complete infrastructure in the developmental activities to be there. So in these qualities, if you have to come down, the first thing is to be there. Mental and physical health, he should be very, very strong accordingly. If you want good result, effective result is to be there, then the leader should have mental and physical health. Mental, physical health should be very much appropriate. Second is empathy. Second is empathy. Then a leader must have the capacity to appreciate others. अपनी तो सब कर लेते हैं, but we should appreciate others and look at things from its subordinate angles. The attitude of the leader motivates its subordinates to be there. Then third is self-confidence. These are but certain things to be. Second, then awareness of the other's opinion about himself. Then objectivity. Then knowledge of intelligence is to be there. Then we can say ability to communicate whatever he wants. He should tell to the manager, because the premises is inside and outside also. What other wants, what he wants, and what for why they are in the team. It should be very much clear about that. It should be there. Then sense of purpose and responsibility should be very, very clear in the particular in the team member should be there. So in this are the main thing. In this values, in this process, in this execution process to be there, whatever the system is to be carried out, the qualities play the vital role in that. And if these are the qualities, these are the systems, if they know the premises is to be there, definitely they will get down the success is to be. Because ultimately, unless they will not get down the success, you cannot say down if this is the right approach of the team builders to be there. So now I will just put down a very small circle, a very small chart is to be there, by which other can clearly understand what is the basic premises towards the side of the team effectiveness. You may also tell these the things in this video. Now, in the leadership behavior, basic premises is first, clear goal. Clear goal. And goals में हम लोग क्या क्या डिस्कस, we will take the vision, mission, objectives, and then whatever plans. Everyone should know the things to be very clear. Then whatever our clear goal, if our clear goal is clear, then we have to clear roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities. Clear roles and responsibilities. Like that. In this clear roles and responsibilities, we have to organize structures, job descriptions, accomplishments, then competencies, resources, tools and equipments, and the qualities. We can say anything is to be there. Once again, I advise the things is to be there. Organizational structure, then job descriptions, then accountability, then resources, then competencies, then tools and equipments, and then qualifications. It should be clearly monitored for the effective team management, and this is the basic premises about the leadership effectiveness. If as a leader, if you have to look after these things in a clear roles and responsibilities, you will get down definitely in a very well formed for the team development. Next is positive relationship. Positive relationship. In these positive relationships, we have to put down mutual trust and respect. Everyone is to be know this. Give respect, take respect. This type of concept is to be there. Then support. Then involvement. Every step you should involve. for your team. If you are like the team leader, you have to involve the things. Then value diversity, they have to ups and down, you have to take the responsibility of that also. Then listening should be a part of that. Then finisher approach will be there, and feedback is also processes to be there. Every time you have to take up the feedback by which the next step can be carried out in very great manners to be there. Then clear procedure, ये बहुत जरूरी चीज है. If this type of things can be carried out by the effective leader, we can say the process will be carried out in a very smooth and well formed to be there. In the clear procedure for solving problems, क्योंकि problem can be come down with the value of solutions. The problem solving, then making decisions, then communicating conflict resolutions, then competing task planning, because task planning everyone's to be carried out, but for the team you get down the result in a very specific time, so there should be a competitive approach to be there. So you have to complete the thing, so managing changes and then evaluating performance. So these 1, 2 and 3 things on the basis of clear goals and resolution is to be there. Then you can say down, definitely our results, our motives can be very much clear to be there. What else? One thing is to be clear, because these are basic premises of executive leadership for the performance development, for the team building process and leadership effectiveness. So for the leadership effectiveness, we should have finally the strong leadership. And how this thing can be come down? By means of personal credibility. हम किसी कास्ट की रिलीजन नेता की बात नहीं करते, बट देयर सर्टेन थिंग्स टू बी देयर. कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लीडर्स, कुछ पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स में ऐसी कैपेबिलिटी होती है कि उनके नाम से भी उनके कैंडिडेट जीत जाते हैं. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग परसेप्शन इज टू बी देयर. देन स्ट्रेटेजिक फोकस शुड बी देयर. देन क्लियर एक्सपेक्टेशन, what we expect from the team, from the organization, from the system is to be there. Then engagement and involvement. Then develop product and the team. And finally, manage change recognition. This thing plays the vital role in the development of the leadership effectiveness. In the leadership effectiveness, these are the 4 pillars can be carried out. We have already things on different qualities to be there, what the leader should have in the development of process. In this, we have seen that the clear roles, clear procedures, strong leadership behaviors, positive relationships, and the clear goals. Because ultimate things will be started from the base, from the values of the vision. If the vision is not clear in any type of institution, we cannot grow, we cannot develop our societies to be there. As and when our vision is to be very clear, our objective will be very clear, our values is to be very clear, and our goal. In the team, because in the team there are 2 types of members to be there. Like एक वो जो जबरदस्ती उसमें रख दिए जाते हैं, दूसरे वो जो विलिंगनेस उसमें आते हैं. तो बट लेकर ऑन जो जबरदस्ती उसमें आते हैं उन्हें भी हम अपनी टीम के साथ कंफर्ट करते हैं, और देयर इज प्रेशर ऑफ द माइंड इज टू बी देयर बाय व्हिच दे कैन रियली गिव ए गुड power, good values is to be there to the side of the team development is to be there. Because ultimately this is the motive of the team leader or nation leader or the system leader who has developed that type of quality by which they can clear out really a clear problem solving situation can be carried out. Even if they know what is the job descriptions of yours in the team members, then they clearly understand what are the competencies to be required in that particular system or in that particular team member or in the surroundings. Then definitely they can give down a clear values of the plans and values. Then the main thing is to be there. If each and everything is to totally depend on the values of the positive relationship. If me us, organizations, each and everything in that by which they can clearly understand the values of the strong leadership, like clear expectations, clear communications, engagement and involvement, develop people and the teams. Beside this, inclusions, then comprehensive resources that must be there. Then they have the clear-cut idea about the managing conflicts. Then we can say they can get down very good, strong relationships to be there. Because until or unless team effectiveness will be carried out by the means of the team members only, if the team members is to be carried in a definitely form is to be, then accordingly we have certain forms to be there. So in the concluding values is to be there. In this session we have discussed about the basic premises about the team leadership effectiveness, and leadership effectiveness to be there. Leader need the followers in specific conditions. Once again remember the things. Who is the leader? Leader is a person who can lead the team, lead the followers in specific conditions. If the leader knows all the concept is to be there, with real task, real team oriented person is to be there, like 9.9 we have already figured out the things, then we can say down he has the good structural values, and our system approach is like that only.